hand playing me. I didn't get your face, all I got was just
Hi and wave.
Hi and wave.
No, you don't actually have to say wave.
Oh,
you just have to.
hi and.
Oh, hi. Yeah.
Okay, there's hi.
Oh my God! Someone built steps.
They're not alone.
Something tells me this is not new ground we are covering.
That's a white gravel path.
Yeah.
We had to eat Aaron to stay alive.
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute now. This is getting to be too much like exercise. Where's the golf cart?
Do you have any idea how long this is?
I don't.
Look, another sign.
The brokerage. No, don't go in there. Leave. This is where the ancients used to have their plays, bake sales, sacrificial sacrifices. Those are usually the best kind of sacrifices. You can sit on here and almost hear
Geeks in nature.
They have discovered the green swamp of death. Now they're lost in the woods. And we're lost in the woods, and I don't know. What was that? Oh my God! What was that noise?
We were at the Apple store.
Oh my God! I'm hearing for everything here. We've found another.
I'm apparently on the other side of the boundary.
We've escaped! Woohoo!
I'm in the boundary.
Oh no.
You are exiled. You're on the other side of the boundary.
Alright, well, I'll see you later, guys. I guess No, this would be the part where, you know, Madman wanders off into the woods and then they hear a blood-curdling scream. Someone has to call home and tell him he won't be back.
That's it. Of course, this is the first time I've done this in the West End.
Uh-oh.
10. You got that? Yep. Absolutely.
Okay, yeah, now it's your turn. You gotta smile and say hi and wave. Okay, there we go.
No, let's watch that food.
Yes, we are here at Khan's Mongolian BBQ, where it is all-you-can-eat buffet night.
Just like every night.
Then I'm going to get up twice now, and I'm going to go ring the gong.
Right, I'll follow you.
Like a man.
It's kind of similar. I actually ended up, I was making some once.
Oh, you don't love it everything, wouldn't you?
I just poured, stick of rice in there.
No, wait a minute. That's a personal challenge now.
What you got there, man?
Oh, I got a little bit of crab meat, some noodles, a couple veggies, just to keep my nice figure here.
Good job.
Thank you. Damn fine
I didn't want
talking
to
there,
go for the violent shot.
No.
I thought more of a finesse shot would be better. You know, a little bit of a wrist action in there.
No, I had to be obnoxious about it. Well.
What was yours? This is a really loud, obnoxious one.
Yeah.
Like paper and it's cringe.
Yes.
Okay. You weren't standing by.
The guy who was standing on the other side of the car was really appreciative. Because he was the one who was just before me. He put $1 in and picked it up and went. And then I threw my $2 in and I went.